Let's talk about the 4 blind spots around IP that may be costing you money. There are tons of entrepreneurs out there that know that IP is important to their business. I mean, they know it. They know it's important for them to keep from getting ripped off by their competitors. They know that IP is important to help them to grow their company safely. And they know it's important to help them get paid the most when they sell their company, when they exit. But there are 4 major blind spots that entrepreneurs have around IP that cost them big time. The first is not protecting their IP, failing to apply for patents, failing to apply for trademarks that can really add value to the company and could really slow the competition. The second is not enforcing their IP. Competitors are copying their products and may be even confusing the public into buying their product when they think that they're buying from you. Of course, this may be a missed opportunity to stop others from taking away your product sales, but not policing your trademarks now can render them effectively unenforceable in the future. The third is unknowingly infringing the IP of others. You can put a lot of momentum behind a product that's infringing someone else's patent, or you can heavily invest in promoting a brand that is actually confusingly similar to another. And everything may seem fine for a while, but then one day you get a cease and desist letter and you realize you're going to have to rebrand. You're going to have to destroy inventory and possibly pay a boatload of damages. But as they say, ignorance is no excuse. Now, the fourth and final blind spot is ownership issues. If you have patents and you have trademarks, you need to be clear that they're in the correct name. That is, in the name of the correct entity. I've seen businesses where the founder is proudly bragging about their large patent and trademark portfolio. And then I look at it and it has ownership issues. The trademarks might have been applied for in the wrong name, or the patents were never assigned to the corporation by the employees. And this can cause issues when someone leaves the company or dies, or there's some type of dispute. And it can be an absolute disaster if you attempt to sell the company without resolving these ownership issues first. Again, as an entrepreneur, having one or more of these blind spots is totally understandable and really common. And you're not alone. Few entrepreneurs really know enough about IP to avoid them altogether. But I think that the more you know about IP, the more you can leverage the value of IP for your business, and the more you could avoid risks from blind spots like these. I'm going to be doing a special webinar to talk about these 4 blind spots so that you could stop leaving money on the table and stop taking unnecessary risks with your business. I'd love for you to join us. Feel free to check out the other resources I have on my website, on my podcast, and even check out my book, The American Bar Association's Consumer Guide to Obtaining a Patent. Did you find value in this video? We read every comment, and we base our future videos on the questions that you have. We'd love to hear how these videos are serving you, so please drop a comment and let us know. If you're a business focused and looking to build a patent portfolio to increase your company valuation, go to goldsteinpatentlaw.com/apply and schedule your complimentary patent portfolio strategy session with one of our expert business strategists.